As you may know, we are stepping into Easter season. Most of you have already given up eating red meat or any kind of meat. So I thought I'm going to show you how to make some seafood. I have chosen a medium-sized fish and I've got 6 prawns. This is actually depending on my guest list. So a couple of boys said they're coming out tonight for dinner, so I think this should be enough. And depending on your guest list, you can choose a small fish or big fish or medium fish. Do you guys remember that small fish, big fish, small fish, big fish? This is already being cleaned. I went to the fish market. Didn't have to clean much, but I'm gonna make a few cuts. Alright, that's done. And let's get on with the prawns. I'll remove the shell, including the head. If you're gonna make something like biscuits, you know, some kind of sauce, you can keep the heads and shells. Still bit of shell. Alright. Doesn't need to be separated, but if you cut it this way, it's perfect. Season your prawns, season your fish. Definitely I'm going to leave my prawns in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Just basic salt, pepper, nothing special. But later on I might put some turmeric. Season the fish. Anyway, I'm using some kind of a special flour before I cook this, so it has a lot of seasoning, spices as well. Doesn't need to be really salty. Go strong flavors. Before we get the rest of the things done, I'll leave this one in the fridge for 30 minutes as well. See you soon. Of course, ginger garlic for Asian cooking, it's a must. I've got some capsicum, red, yellow, green, Thai basil, red and green chili, onion, and spring onion. If you don't like it too spicy, you can actually leave out the chilies and chili flakes or chili paste I'm about to use. You can just use capsicum, it doesn't have any spiciness to it. I love ginger garlic. Just roughly slice it. I like with the chunks in my sauce. All right, chili. Yummy, yummy. Spicy. No, this is not spicy. While you're doing your prep and things, don't forget to heat your oil up approximately in between 170 to 180 would be perfect. Over to the other side. My beautiful fish. Alright, here's the deal. So I'm gonna use some kind of a special flour. This I call spicy flour mix. If you want the recipe, my very first video, the burger video, I have attached the recipe. I'll put the link below. Go watch that video, you can find the recipe for this spicy flour. This is being sitting in the fridge for 30 minutes, more or less. Just a bit of turmeric. Yeah, that's it. All right, I'm gonna make a special flour mix for my battered prawns. So this one is corn flour, self-raising flour and plain flour. So this one, I've chosen the cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, ground cumin, ground coriander, and pinch of salt. I'll put the recipe down below. Put everything together, just whisk it. And if you can't see lumps, I think that's perfect. Already smells good, huh? This one's for my Sri Lankan audience. In case you can't find any of this ingredient, ඔයාලට මේ කිසි දෙයක් හොයාගන්න බැරි නම් comment එකක් දාන්න පල්ලෙහායින්. I'll tell you what are the alternatives you can use to get the same flavor. I'm going to use a bit of beer for my batter. So I call it beer batter. By any chance, if you don't want to have alcohol in your batter, you can use sparkling water or soda, or simply you can use water. I'm not using everything at once. If I need to add more, yes, I will add more. All right, now we pour the beer. Hope I'm not going to spill this way. I know what to do. That should be good. All right, my oil is sitting at actually 175, 178, which is perfect. I'm going to slowly lower this one into the oil. Fish is almost ready. But I will wait a couple more minutes. The temperature inside is already 65, but I'm just trying to make sure the out layer, the skin and everything is crispy. This is ready. Let's take it out of the oil carefully. My fish is resting. I'm using the same oil for the battered prawns, so I let it heat it up, but the pot wasn't good, so I changed the pot and I'm going to start with my sauce. Meantime, I'm pretty sure this is going to come up to 170, 180, so I can do everything at the same time. All right, let's get started with the sauce. Bit of oil, in goes onion, ginger, capsicum, chili, pretty much everything's on the tray. Onion, ginger, garlic, capsicum and chili needs to be soft before I put the sauce in. This is oyster sauce, light soy sauce and sweet chili, because the boys who are coming tonight, they can't eat a lot of spices, but I put a lot of chilies in here, so that's why I put a bit of sweet chili. I'll put the recipe down in the description. You can add more chili if you like, depend on your spice tolerance. I'm gonna add a bit of tamarind puree. Turn the heat down a bit. About to add my sauce. I'm gonna just a little water. Now you can add your Thai basil. Pinch of vegetable stock for extra flavors. I'm gonna set this aside and get on with my prawns. All right, the battered prawns. Everything's ready. Now, time to play this beauty. All right, I got a bit of super sprouts. I love super sprouts. All right. Okay. Whoop. Get the battered prawns. Wow. Okay. Last but not least, good old spring onion. Also, I'm gonna serve some sauce on the sides. Ah la la. Also, if you like a bit of crisp and things in your food, you can use a bit of chili crisp. Finally, the beautiful fish and battered prawns. Let's taste this one. If you have jasmine rice and one more person with you, you can definitely smash this one. Absolute bomb. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. It's gonna help me heaps in the future. And I will see you next week with a beautiful dish. Oh.